guys, I'm out here at the 4-wheel drive adventure show out at Eastern Creek and I'm absolutely loving it. We've got all the AutoCraze stuff set up. Absolutely crazy how much people are into it. I'm into it myself. This is my car. I'm an enthusiast. I love it. I've got obviously the AutoCraze 2-inch shocks in there. I've got the Falcon tyres on there. I've got the fuel alloys, the rival bar. I've got the Great White Light, and then the Thunder winch, of course. All right, here we go. We're going to go out and do some 4-wheel driving on the track. I've been watching some of the cars and it's pretty much vertical, some of the hills. Am I a little nervous? Yes, I am a little nervous to do this, but I know that the car is more than capable. We've got everything AutoCraze on it, and you've got to be a little bit crazy to take it on. I'm ready to go. Too much fun. Okay, so we're coming in. So I'll just feather it down.
Yep, just. You want to go slow down.
Slow down, yeah.
And then accelerate up. So now, accelerate.
Oh my God.
There we go.
That was unreal. Yeah, well, I felt really confident doing that. The capabilities of the car, that's amazing. That's amazing how easy it went up. I really didn't think I could get up such a vertical hill like that, and it did it crawling up easily. Yeah, I'd feel safe having my family out on a track like this too. Having my kids in the car, it feels great.
Definitely a good thing.
Safety first, everyone. Make sure you got your sunscreen on too, by the way. I'm going to my strengths now, and I've got really good vision. Yeah. Obviously, I save lives, so I'm watching every scope that Tony's taking in front of us.
I mean, we're doing that at the moment.
And I know that this is going to be a little squishy coming through. Crossing, doing this nice and easy.
Keep it nice and easy.
These nearly go as good as a Ranger.